What are you going to do with the bigger book?
This is much bigger. This much bigger outfit. Let's go to school. Let's go to school. Let's go to school.
It is. Oh, it's cars, trucks, planes, and trains.
Oh. Cars, trucks, cars, and planes.
Good job.
Okay. Buddy, we open. Relax and see everything. We and the baby, we both teachers doing this one.
Okay, we're both teachers?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, doing that one.
Great. And who are these right here? Who are these guys? Sitting against the couch. Are they the babies in our class?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This is a baby and this is a baby.
Oh, okay. Great.